Want to program a key fob for your 1999-2009 Ford Mustang yourself and save money? It's a simple process. This video will show you how. You'll need your vehicle key, the new fob, and potentially a multimeter to check battery health. The key is to enter programming mode via the ignition switch, then sync the fob. This method utilizes your car's onboard computer to store up to 4 fobs. No special software is needed, but aftermarket programmers can automate the process if desired. Keep in mind that the exact procedure varies by model year, so verify the correct steps for your Mustang to avoid issues. To program your key fob, start with ignition cycling. Turn the key to on position with the engine off, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 5 times. The programming mode activates when you see the lights flash or hear the horn honk. Next, within 10 to 20 seconds of entering programming mode, press the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob at the same time. This pairs the fob with your vehicle. If it doesn't work on the first try, simply repeat the process. If programming fails, check for a dead battery in the fob. Replace with a fresh battery and try again. The image shows the internal components and battery compartment. If you cycle the ignition incorrectly, it could lock the vehicle's system. In that case, you'll need a dealer reset. Additional tips: perform programming in a secure location to avoid signal jamming. Always confirm the exact procedure using your VIN or model year to prevent lockouts. If your Mustang is aging, consider upgrading to modern keyless entry systems.